Yes, today it's about a jumbo prawn curry or a golda chingri curry. Today it's done by my mother because she cooks the best prawn ever in this whole world. Welcome to the Purple Box. Good to see you back again. Let's jumpstart to cook it together. I will show you the ingredients now, but you don't bother. Towards the end, I'll give you a whole list of the ingredients. I really can't wait. Let's start with the process. Jumbo prawn or golda chingri 1 kg, 1 cup curd, 1 cup milk, 1 cup coconut water, very small quantity of whole garam masala, 1 tablespoon dhania powder, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, 1 tablespoon haldi powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, few bay leaves, green chilies, few raisins or kishmish, 2 tablespoons ghee. Cut out the limbs of the prawns in 4 to 5 inches size each. Take out few shells from the center of the prawn body and then fry them in shallow oil. I prefer using sunflower oil. Don't fry them too much. Just see that the color changes from grey to red and orange tone. Turn them a couple of times in between to check the change of color. But don't turn too much, that might break the prawn pieces. Ideally, you should cook for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Then take them out and keep them aside on a plate. Now fry the limbs on the same oil and keep them aside. On the same oil, fry the whole garam masala and the bay leaves till the masalas release a very nice aroma. On a cup of water, add the red chili powder, the jeera powder and the dhania powder and the turmeric powder and mix them uniformly with a spoon and pour it gently into the pan. Give a hint of salt and then mix it well with the whole masalas. Say around 3 minutes later, add the curd when you find that the masala gravy is boiling for some time. Now mix the curd into the masala gravy with gentle but fast circular motion and let it cook for some time. After around 3 minutes, when the gravy is boiling, add the prawn pieces one at a time very gently. Add the sugar now. After some time, gradually and very gently turn the pieces of prawns one at a time. After turning the prawns on the other side, add the limbs from the top. The prawns are gradually becoming soft, so we have to be very careful in moving them now. Make a small pit at the center and add the ginger paste. Then very skillfully run the spatula in such a way that the ginger paste spreads uniformly into the gravy without disturbing the position of the prawns. Now add the milk, spreading it all over on the pan as we can't move the position of the prawns anymore. Just push gently from above to confirm uniform spreading. And finally goes in the coconut water. As I keep saying, the sequence in which the ingredients go in and the timing is very important for the taste of any particular dish. Allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Now add the raisins and pour the ghee. After 2 more minutes, add the garam masala powder and press gently from the top so that the masala mixes well. And finally goes the green chilies. Now switch off the flame and leave it on the pan for another 5 minutes before taking out. Well, that's it. And our prawn curry is ready to be served. Yummy! Just can't wait to have it. Let's quickly brush up the ingredients. Take a screenshot of the same for your further reference. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe to our channel, The Purple Box, We will keep coming up with interesting and easy to cook dishes. Till then, take care. Comment anything you wish to discuss with me. Bye. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy your jumbo prawn curry.